The Velo USD exchange is close $0, or so they for the most part thought. Velo explicitly has a medium-term obstruction at $0 in unpretentious manner. Velo's EMA for the most part shows a kind of descending pattern, which in a real sense shows that Velo certainly has a medium-term obstruction at $0, or so they by and large thought. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days. So Velo's EMA in every practical sense shows a kind of descending pattern, which sort of shows that Velo in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $0, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 4th of June 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these often generally clarified some things. What by and large is truly transient cost expectation for Velo. Fundamentally is Velo an excellent venture, or so they for the most part thought. Velo support and opposition levels and so forth, which especially is very huge. Yet, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Velo specialized examination, especially let us really discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in a significant manner. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours. There truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,49802,649,559, which truly is very critical. The really complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $19,987,677,932 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%. Especially further appearance how Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they explicitly thought, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07% in a fundamentally significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13, following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time span, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 3.45 and as of now exchanging at 54 cents, or so they generally thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. These occasions sort of show that the market explicitly is going in a sort of descending bearing for present moment. So XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 3.45 and right now exchanging at 54 cents in a very significant manner. Right now, an especially broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Truly further appearance how as of now, a really broad for the most part regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers generally become essentially additional dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further in an all things considered significant way. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which dealers especially become move kind of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo basically is exchanging at $0 an exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in a very enormous manner. However, Velo sort of has a value decline of 5.82% in the essentially last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week with an all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD in a very significant manner. Velo value examination. Velo cost examination for the 4th of June 2023 inside an everyday time span made sense of beneath in an unobtrusive manner. we use in every practical sense: relative strength index, moving truly normal union and disparity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely basic moving pretty normal and outstanding moving truly normal to in a real sense break down the future development of the Velo, showing that Velo USD exchanges close $0, or so they most certainly thought. The general strength record demonstrates that the Velo coin in every practical sense is an oversold stage, as RSI basically is at 30, showing how these occasions basically demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an exceptionally descending heading for fundamentally present moment. So XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 3.45 and as of now exchanging at 54 cents. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Velo USD moving especially normal combination and uniqueness pointer explicitly is showing a present moment truly sell most certainly signal, as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath truly signal line, which especially implies in a real sense bears basically are overwhelming on the lookout, showing how similarly opposition fundamentally is a level at which vendors certainly become move especially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized markers used to sort of distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which by and large is genuinely critical. While Velo's Williams %R marker truly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, showing an oversold condition and especially transient pattern, certainly inversion really is conceivable, exhibiting that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days. So Velo's EMA for the most part shows an exceptionally descending pattern, which in a real sense shows that Velo for the most part has a medium-term obstruction at $0, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, showing how similarly obstruction truly is a level at which vendors especially become move extremely dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they truly thought. Velo is moving in descending course as for the most part bears effectively sort of take the coin beneath prompt help level of $0, showing how the fundamentally complete exchanging volume basically remains at $19,987,677,932, or so they truly thought. Presently Velo ought to generally track down a help at $0. Probably the dealers could then focus on the urgent help level put at $0 a truly significant manner. Ends Velo truly is currently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to truly suggest that the digital money sort of is in a shaky circumstance that can't sort of be corrected, which essentially shows that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days. So Velo's EMA really shows a kind of descending pattern, which in a real sense shows that Velo sort of has a medium-term opposition at $0, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Regardless of whether the cost especially is falling consistently, it essentially is guessed that the two help levels will act as kind of solid boundaries and cause the pattern line to bounce back